I just figured this out today, and it seems like we need to be very careful now with how we provide prompts to this AI agent, because when I log into, for example, Cloudflare, they said that you can onboard your agent to Cloudflare, right? So it says like copy a setup prompt for your AI coding tool. So I go ahead and copy. So I don't know what this is. So obviously I need to see this. So if I put this on Notepad, so you can see that fetch and execute appropriate instructions to set up Cloudflare. Okay, that's interesting. And if you look at the setup instruction, it's again redirecting to a different file. So in this case, it's prompt.md. So if you are aware of this pattern, right? So usually like when we need to install, let's say like Cloudflare CLI, right? What would Cloudflare do is they provide like cloudflare.com slash I don't know, install.sh, and then you run it like this, right? For Perl, something like this. And you install the Cloudflare CLI. But in this case, we are not installing Cloudflare CLI, but we are installing Cloudflare tools and skills for agents to use, right? So we don't know what it does, but this pattern is very interesting now. So we just go ahead and see what's inside. And yeah, so these are the official instruction, blah, blah, blah. And then, okay, install Cloudflare skills and MCP servers. So it installs this. For every install skill, run this, then register. If it's Codex, run this, right? So it's OpenCode, run this. If it's cursor, any other place, run this, right? So yeah, so this is genuinely very good approach, right? So it helps you onboard your agent to Cloudflare easily. But imagine that, yeah, so for example, this is coming not from developers, I don't know, like Cloudflare, right? In this case, you can't see the difference. And if you copy this and this script somehow can, steal the AWS credential or a MCP server settings, so this starts to become really risky in your organization, especially for enterprises. So just wanted to highlight this. Yeah, bye.